I am at the Pacific Ocean. Pacific, pacified, gentle, calm. There it is right there. And at the same time, I'm in the central coast of California, Pismo Beach, California. And you probably are aware that that water behind me is kind of sharky. In fact, just down that way to the south, you know, there were a couple of guys who were eaten by great white sharks a few years ago. That way to the north, where Avila Beach is at, there was a woman who was out swimming who was eaten by a shark. And just a month ago, up at Morro Bay, there was a guy who was out surfing and got unfortunately eaten by a shark. So, while this is going on, if you see a shark behind me coming up, one of two things. You either tell me so that I can be saved as your leader, or I get eaten, everyone gets an A. I wonder how it's gonna go. So, when you're in the water at the ocean, do you think about sharks? I do. But I also think about what the water itself tastes like. Because of course, the ocean is a solution, the world's biggest solution. There's a whole bunch of stuff dissolved in there. It's a chemical soup, really, isn't it? One of the things we're gonna do right now is we're gonna start looking at the salinity of the global ocean. That means the dissolved salt, which is not just sodium chloride. It's things like phosphorus, potassium, magnesium. All of these things are salts. When you get a mouthful of ocean water like this, what percentage of it is salt? You ever think about that? Just think about it for a minute. You've all had some sort of taste of the ocean. What percentage of this is salt? That's what we're going to be looking at, and the source of those salts. Hold on. No shark behind me. Let's go.